Nung 25 po, pa-flight ko na po sana sa Guangzhou, then Guangzhou po to Dhaka.
Okay.
Tapos nung time po na yon, may documents na po ako nabigay sa Bureau of Immigration.
Okay.
Tapos nung sa huli na po sabi nung babae, kulang po daw ako sa pictures namin ni fiancé.
May pangalan po kayo ng immigration officer?
Wala po akong pangalan nun. Babae po yun. Tapos nung time na yon, na-offload po ako.
Anong reason ang binigay? Bakit
Yun po, yung parang sinabi din niya po sa akin na it's okay po na i-invite ko daw po si fiancé dito sa Pilipinas, i-build daw po namin yung relationship namin dito.
Teka muna,
Bago
tinuturuan pa kayo ng...
Parang ganun, opo. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, ma'am, bawal po yun sa amin. Sabi kong ganun. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, wala po kami masyadong pictures together kasi di naman kami masyadong nagkikita. Pag nagkikita po kami, hindi kami nag-spend ng time talaga sa social media or pictures, parang ganun.
Pero saan niyo po nakilala si sir?
Sa Qatar po, pero yung una-una po talaga na nagkilala kami sa social media.
Okay, and then nung nagkikilala kayo sa Qatar, usap kayo na magpapakasal kayo. Saan kayo magpapakasal sana?
Unang-una po doon, sabi ko sa kanya, kung mahal mo talaga ako, puntahan mo yung family ko. Kasi yung family ko nasa bundok kasi sila sa Maragusan, Davao de Oro. Tapos papunta pa talaga from Maragusan, bundok pa talaga yon.
Okay.
Tapos pumunta siya dito sa Pilipinas. May visa na po.
Pinakita mo yan sa taga-immigration?
Yes po, pinakita ko po yan. Pero parang hindi pa po enough sa kanila. Na-minute po niya yung family ko. And nag-spend po siya ng time with them. Kahit na po, sobrang layo po dun sa amin. During po na nakausap ni fiancé yung family ko na nag-ask siya na pwede ba na he will marry me, something
Okay.
ganon. Tapos sabi naman ni dad sa akin, willing ka ba na magpapakasal sa lalaki na to, parang ganito, ganyan. Tapos syempre, as far as I know, he's very kind naman.
Saan sana magaganap yung kasalan?
Both family po namin, pinagkasunduan na sa Bangladesh po talaga yung kasal. Pero after naman doon, may plan naman talaga kami na party wedding dito po sa Pilipinas.
Pero yung pagpunta mo sana sa Bangladesh para doon kayo ikakasal kasamang family mo, in-offload ka.
In-offload po ako.
May problema dito yung immigration. Although, hindi ko masyado didiinan dito immigration kasi meron kasi tayong problema sa human trafficking recently.
I
Yes,
understand
That's
po.
A rise in human trafficking in other countries, Philippines being human trafficked, especially in Cambodia recently.
Yes po.
So the immigration are just being careful. Pero itong sinasabi ko pag nagkakaroon ng hearing na dapat magkaroon ng seminar, itong mga taga-immigration, mga frontliners, yung mga nag-interview, para malaman nila talaga kung ano yung profile na human traffic, nagsisinungaling versus yung talagang sasabi ng totoo. At base sa mga dokumento pinipresenta, dapat alam na nila. So in this case, yung nag-interview kay Ms. Jap, mukhang kulang sa seminar to, kulang sa training. Mr. Islam, and I can see that you really love our Filipina OFW, Ms. Jap,
That's why I come here to
meet her family. And you did already that.
No, I already meet her also, her family here in last June. So like when we have relationship, at that time she told me that if you want to marry me, just go to my family first.
Which you did to
Yes,
her
sir.
family, and we saw that pictures.
Yes, sir.
How was the family so far? How's the Philippines for you?
It's good.
And then I'm very sorry that your fiancé did have a bad experience at the airport going to
Yes, sir.
Bangladesh, supposed to be to marry.
That's what I feel so bad about that.
It's
And I'm very sorry
because
for that.
po, sir, for that po, parang sa akin po naging emotional ako kasi yung family niya parang nasa teens po kasi parang naging emotional sila, nag-aantay sila na nag-expect po kasi sila nung time na yon kahit nababasahin nila yung conversation ng mom niya tsaka ako na nag-ask siya, tapos ka na po ba? Parang iniibig niyang sabihin, tapos na ba ako dun sa immigration, ganyan, nakaalis na ba ako? Siyempre, pupunta pa sila dun sa Dhaka para sunduin ako, yung mama tsaka dad niya.
Pero you need a visa going to Bangladesh.
I have na po already.
So, ibig sabihin, na-aprobahan ako kayo ng Bangladesh
Yes po.
Embassy.
Yes po.
Yun yung sinasabi ko, na-aprobahan na ng
Yes po,
embassy.
sir.
In-interview ka na, you went to the process sa interview and all, showing the documents na para dapat ka makapunta doon sa bansa nila. And yet, in-offload
Yes
ka
po,
pa
sir.
rin. So, kailan po yung kasal?
Kahapon sana yung kasal ko po.
So,
Kahapon sana, I'm sorry.
so, kailan sana balak nyo pumunta doon?
Tapos, anytime kahit ngayon, pupunta kami agad para ma-prepare po lahat. Kasi in-extend namin ngayong 10 kasi wala kaming time to
Late na.
prepare. Tapos, kulang ako sa banding sa family niya. Parang ganun. Doon ko i-spend yung time ko.
Mr. Islam, when do you want to go back to Bangladesh plus Ms. Jap?
Like if we got a chance to go even tomorrow, we can go.
Okay.
because the wedding is near. Already the first plan was 5 August, the wedding. But because of this problem, we change again. And my family already invited 300 people for the wedding.
I guarantee you, Miss Jap, makaalis ka.
Thank you po.
I guarantee you, both of you,
Thank you, sir.
that you and
Ito
your
po talaga yung
fiancé,
inaantay po talaga namin kasi inisip talaga namin na kasi lahat po may kinakausap din po akong parang doon din po na sa Bureau of Immigration. May kinausap po.
huwag na
ako
kayo
doon.
makipag-usap sa mga
Opo, sabi po nila doon, magpakasal kayo dito muna. Kung mahal kayo ng fiancé mo, magpapakasal kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Bakit ba? Sa kanila ba yung, yung ginagastos namin sa Bangladesh for wedding? Bakit sila yung magdidesisyon kung saan kami gusto magpakasal at saka saan yung gusto ng parents namin magpakasal?
Parang dinidiktahan ka.
Oo, ganun. Kahit saan talaga ako magtanong, sasabihin na, Ma'am, marriage certificate po talaga, magpakasal kayo muna dito sa Pilipinas kung gusto nyong makaalis po ng
First
ibang
case
bansa.
to na pwede kong pag-usapan sa susunod na hearing kung saan yung immigration mapapatawag. Maganda itong kaso ni ma'am eh. Kung kayo po ay nandito, pagdating ng hearing, pwede ko kayong tawagin as resource person para
Yes
makapag-contribute po kayo ng mga information na makakatulong sa immigration at makakatulong sa mga kababayan natin.
He said he can guarantee us to go finish our wedding, something like that.
Okay.
Mhm.
When we can fly for that?
It's up to you.
It's up to us. If
But
not, tomorrow.
again, if you face or I face together in the immigration, something like that.
No, we'll take care of that for you, sir. Well,
Okay.
someone will accompany you from my office to
Okay.
make sure that you're not going to be harassed, you're not going to be offloaded, or she's not going to be offloaded anymore for the
Sure.
second time.
Because I know that's why I need to send her back before 22. So 21, I need to send her back. Because I know the law, like if she didn't come before ending the time, she will be banned here for 3 years. Even in my country, she will be banned for 1 year.
Oh,
So that's why I need to follow the rules.
I understand, sir.
Yeah.
Because here in our country, we have the right to travel.
Yes.
Okay? Well, pumasok nga lang yung human trafficking, kaya medyo nagkaroon ng kahigpitan. Okay lang yon. Pero dapat careful yung mga taga-immigration, wag yung offload ng offload.
Kaya nga, nasasayang din yung yung days po ng sa visa po. Kasi 1 month po sana yon. Tapos nagiging kaunti na lang yung time to spend.
So my question to you now, sir, you really love Jap. You're gonna take good care of her.
Yes.
You're not gonna hurt her when she gets to
never.
Bangladesh.
From the beginning also, I never heard anything.
You're always gonna be on her side.
Yes,
No
sir.
matter what.
Yes,
Through
sir.
thick and thin. Till death do you part. Parang pinapakasal natin. Ma'am Nicel, kayo na po ay magkikwento. Paano po naman hikan?
This year kasi pumunta siya dito sa Pilipinas kasi gusto niya makilala yung family ko. Pumunta siya doon sa amin at tapos sinabi niya yung rason niya or purpose niya kung bakit siya nandito. Yun, sinabi naman niya na gusto niyang pakasalan talaga yung kapatid ko.
Okay.
Opo, na-meet niya po yung family ko this year. Pumunta talaga siya doon sa amin.
Kayo ho ba kasama rin sa entourage sana na pupunta sa Bangladesh para umaten sa kasal ng dalawa?
Oo, sana. Kaso, marami kasing dahilan hindi matuloy. Kasi naman po, alam naman po natin, sir, na mahirap po pumunta doon. Yung family ko, yung parents ko, kasi may edad na rin. Tapos, sila din yung nagdesisyon, sir. Gusto naman nung lalaki na pupunta yung family ko sana doon. Kaso, yung family ko na hindi sila pupunta doon. At may naman sila, yung may blessing naman ng family ko na papakasalan yung kapatid ko. Don't be sad. You know already that our family, tinanggap ka ng family ko ng buong buo.
Ayun, okay.
Thank you, sister.
He's to be a very nice guy.
Yes po, kasi yung family ko din, parang talaga, parang napaka-close talaga nila.
At
Parang-
bagay na bagay kayo para magkamukha kayo. Usually pag magkamukha rin, kakatuluyan. Oo. Okay, so you also have the program's blessing, and if there's anything that we can do to help you, just let us know. We're
Thank you
always
so
here
much,
for you.
sir.
Tomorrow, you can book now,
Sure.
and then we guarantee you we're going to accompany you to the airport with all the pieces of evidence that you have to ensure the immigrations that she's legit, that she should be traveling to Bangladesh with you.
Thank you, sir.
I guarantee you, okay? Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
We will invite you
Happy
also
to see you.
if you can come.
Sure, but where's the wedding?
In Bangladesh.
In Bangladesh.
No, I'm here in the Philippines.
Ay, in Philippines.
Philippines
So,
after that.
okay, inshallah.
inshallah.
When is it? God's will.
You know, that was my plan to send her here because I see your videos in TikTok
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
and Facebook.
Yeah, if you get married here in the Philippines,
You
maybe
can come.
So I
maybe
told
if
her
you have
there
time,
is
we'll
only
come.
one way you need to get help from Sir Rafi Tulfo.
Yeah,
I
that's why
told
I
her.
already came here na 2 times.
Thank you. Hindi ko sasayangin yung oras ninyo at
Thank
you came to the
po.
right place, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you, Mr. Islam, and good luck to you, sir.
Hello, Sir Islam. How are you feeling after your live interview with Senator Rafi Tulfo?
Yeah, so when I meet him, I feel very happy and I'm happy to see him also because long time I'm just following him in social media. Okay, so in that my case, like I didn't find any other option. So I choose to meet Mr. Sir Rafi Tulfo. I thought he will solve my problem. Right now, he solved my problem and then I feel very happy and grateful for that.
How about you, ma'am? Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon? Gumaan ba?
Sobrang gaan po talaga. Kasi ang dami ko nang pinagdaanan since na offload, emotional, stress po talaga. Kasi nag-overthink na baka wala na kaming ibang pag-asa para matuloy yung kasal, ganon. Kasi kahit sino talaga yung hihingian ko talaga ng tulong, sasabihin nila na dito na lang kayo magpapakasal sa Pilipinas. Parang sila na yung nagdi-decision sa anong pinag-usapan ng both family namin at saka anong pinag-usapan namin, ganon. Sobrang happy ko po talaga.
Since it is also your flight today, and as Senator Rafi Tulfo promised, we are here to pick you up at the hotel and accompany you going to the airport. So we've already coordinated to the Bureau of Immigration regarding your flight. So there's no need to worry, and rest assured everything has been taken care of so you can have a smooth journey going back to Bangladesh.
I will just say thank you so much for everything Sir Rafi Tulfo did and his team, like all of you. I'm very happy for that. I'm very grateful because I never thought that I will get this kind of service.
Sobrang happy po kasi syempre, dream kasi namin yun na wedding. So, parang napaisip ako na ayaw ng lahat na ikasal kami. Parang ganun, ginawa namin yung lahat. Paikot, kahit hindi ako taga dito, hindi ko alam po yung Manila. Pero kahit saan-saan talaga ako pumunta to ask po ng help, any help po. Pero si Rafi Tulfo lang po yung nakatulong sa amin.
Miss Jap and Sir Islam, now we're here at the airport and we wish you to have a safe flight and a smooth journey going to Bangladesh. I will check on you from time to time just to make sure that you arrive safely at Bangladesh.
Still, I can't believe everything po na andito na po kami at may confident na po talaga ako na makakaalis na po kami. Hindi na po offload to.
If you go back here in the Philippines and you decided to have a wedding here in the Philippines, Sir Rafi also assured that he will going to attend on your wedding. Okay?
Will be
Thank
very
you,
grateful.
inshallah.
I'll be happy so much for that if he join in our wedding. Assalamu alaikum, Rafi Tulfo sir. I just want to say thank you so much, and I'm very happy for today. You know, right now I'm like stressless totally. And thank you so much for your support and kind to us. Inshallah, like in the future, when we're coming back to Philippines for our wedding after Bangladesh, so we'll invite you, and I would like to come to our wedding, and we'll be happy for that. And I'm grateful to meet you also. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. Sir Rafi Tulfo, thank you so much for everything po, sa lahat po ng tulong mo at sa lahat po ng stress ko at saka overthink na din po na baka sa next time na mag-attempt kami ng flight ulit baka ma-offload. So ngayon, may confident na po talaga ako na nang dahil po sa iyo, matutuloy na po yung kasal namin. Yun po talaga yung dream po talaga namin na matuloy po yung kasal. Thank you so much po and I hope na we will meet soon sa wedding po namin sa Pilipinas, inshallah. Thank you so much, Sir Rafi.
Salamat sa'yo, Idol Rafi Tulfo. Ika'y sandalat ng mga inaaping Pilipino.
Assalamualaikum. We're here already in Dhaka. Thank you so much, Sir Rafi Tulfo. Magandang hapon po, Rafi Tulfo. Thank you so much. We're here na po sa Dhaka and we're going to Silet na po.
Nakarating na.
With family.
Okay.
Kumusta po? Andito na po kami. Maraming salamat po.
Ay, walang anuman po. At least nandiyan na kayo safe. Kumusta naman po yung flight ninyo?
Maganda at mabuti naman po yung flight namin.
Ayun. So, ibig sabihin, kalalanding nyo lang po. Kalalapag na po ng aeroplano nyo, ma'am.
Yes po, kalalapag lang po namin at kakabili lang din po ng SIM card.
Kahapon lang, dito tayo magkaharap. Ngayon, nandiyan na kayo sa Bangladesh.
Yes po. Ngayon nandito na talaga kami. Malapit na. Hours na lang talagang bibilangin at makikita ko na din yung family niya.
Meron pang ilang oras. Magbibiyahe po kayo papunta sa family niya.
Sa Silet po, 1 hour, something like that.
Malapit
1 hour
lang.
from here.
Oh.
Malapit na lang po.
Ayun. Okay, masaya-masaya si ma'am. Well, ma'am, we're very happy for you. Congratulations po. And good luck.
I'm so happy, sir. Thank you so much. I don't know how to pay it because this is our dream.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
thank you so much again, Sir Rafi Tulfo.
Salamat po sa tiwala at
Yes
ingat
po.
po kayo dyan. God bless po, sir, ma'am. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you din po. Thank you din po.